By the time you are watching this video, it will be Friday. As usual, I am here to make your weekend a memorable one. Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. First, we'll start by making the caramel spread. You can also use the store-bought ones, alright? In a preheated saucepan, I added sugar. To that, I added a tablespoon of water. Start stirring till the sugar caramelizes. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, I continue to stir till the sugar caramelizes as I mentioned earlier. Alright, it is time to move in with whole milk. I'll be adding the milk bit by bit as I mix. Stir as quickly as possible you can so that it doesn't form lumps, okay? Alternative to milk is whipped cream. I am using whole milk. You can also dilute powdered milk with water and use it, alright? Now I continue to stir as I add the milk bit by bit, okay? Now once everything comes together, I am going to add butter, alright? Now I added a tablespoon of butter. Continue stirring till the butter dissolves. Please check the description box for the list of the ingredients and the measurement. I will also drop the list at the comment section. Now, once the butter dissolves, I'll be adding powdered milk bit by bit. You will notice that the color will start changing into a lighter brown. Do not worry, you are on the right track, okay? Once you are done adding the milk, take it off the heat, alright? You'll be using this immediately. Don't allow it to harden before using. You will not like the result. In another bowl, add 3 cups of powdered milk, alright? Once that is done, move in with the caramel spread immediately. Even if you are using the store-bought ones, once you add the powdered milk in your bowl, add the caramel spread, alright? Now move in with your fingers and start mixing immediately till everything is well combined. A beautiful shout out to you, Dami, watching from Lagos, Nigeria. Beta from Zambia. Linda from UK. Estella Cakes and Event, watching from Ogun State. And Kathy, all the way from Solomon Island. Whoops. Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? Alright, once everything comes together, you should have a moldable dough as you can see on the video. Now, it's either you use a cling film or a parchment paper. In fact, any plastic in your kitchen. If you are with me at this moment, type any plastic. All right, transfer the candy dough to the plastic. Now, cover and arrange in any shape that you prefer. Now, this is the design that I'm going for. You can choose to do this part or you can just use your hand and form any shape that you want, okay? Now, I roll with a rolling pin just to get a perfect shape. Use my scraper and arrange properly. You know your girl. I always like to keep it in a banger way. And this is what we have. Now, you can go ahead and enjoy, but I'm going to allow to chill in the refrigerator with the big boys for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, voila! The candy is ready. Unwrap. Go ahead and cut in your preferred sizes. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. After cutting, serve and enjoy with your loved ones. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. I love it. Try this one and get back to me. Now you can enjoy just the way it is, or you can coat with sugar or powdered milk. I am coating with extra powdered milk just to add extra yumminess to this yummy. Look at that. And that is basically all for this recipe. Let me know at the comment section, do you prefer it plain or when coated with sugar or powdered milk? Let me know your opinion at the comment section. Now look at that cutie. I take a bite and this is what it looks like. It's super yummy. I hope you find this video helpful. Do have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.